Now we are going down these steps to see those places, the sites. এপিনে এতিয়া নামি গৈছোঁ কেইবাটাও চিৰি আছে এতিয়া উঠা নমা কৰি থাকিব লাগিব আৰু চাইটকেইটা পাবৰ কাৰণে So there are two signboards here. One is leading to the Dasha Bhuja, as you can see, and the other is leading to the group of stupas. So first we will see the stupas. So we have to go by this road now. Our children are already on their way. Epine jam itia বুদ্ধিজমৰ লগত কানেক্টেড ষ্টুপাছ আছে সেইবোৰ চাবলৈ যাম এতিয়া মই আগতে কৈছোঁ এখন জেগা হিন্দুইজম বুদ্ধিজম জৈনিজম তিনিওটা ৰিলিজনৰ লগত কানেক্টেড হয় এয়া চাওক ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ ৰাস্তা বনাই থোৱা আছে ছাইটছবোৰলৈ যাবলৈ এইপিনে এটা ডাঙৰ ৱাটাৰ বডি আছে এইপিনে এইবোৰ চব শাল গছ আছে এইপিনে ৰাস্তাটো বনাই থোৱা আছে ইয়াত শাল গছ বহুত দেখিছোঁ দেই এইবোৰ দেখিছেনে ইমান শাল গছ আছে চাৰিপিনে আহোঁতে ৰাস্তাটো দেখিলোঁ বহুত শাল গছ আছে These are sal trees actually. See, there's a big water body here and such a nice road has been made to reach the sites. But one thing is there, you have to walk quite a lot when you come here. So come prepared. So these are the Surya Pahars. Surya Pahar, ekhinike Surya Pahar boli koy. So see, there are mountains, hills on all sides. Very beautiful place. Very beautiful place. এতিয়া আৰু এটা টাৰ্ণিং আহিছে ইয়াত চাইনবোৰ্ডখন কোনোবাই ডেষ্ট্ৰয় কৰি থৈছে নাজানো মানুহবোৰে কেলে এনেকুৱা কৰে এইটো ইয়াত গ্ৰুপ অফ ষ্টুপাছটো দেখিছোঁ বাৰু ইয়াত লিখা আছে গ্ৰুপ অফ ষ্টুপাছ বাকীখিনি মানুহে ফালিলে নে কি কৰিলে আৰু চ' এতিয়া এইপিনেদি আকৌ আমি নামি যাব লাগিব আকৌ সেই আগলৈ উঠিব লাগিব উই হেভ টু go down then again go up but thank God steps are very good so কষ্ট হোৱা নাই see the scenery ক'ত যে আহিছিলে ন এনচিয়েণ্ট ইণ্ডিয়াৰ পৰা মংছখিনি আমাৰ ঋষি মুনিখিনি ইয়াত আহি পেলাই তেওঁলোকে কিমান মেডিটেশ্যন কৰিছিলে See, there is a stupa here, a very big stupa here. Here. This is a Buddhist stupa. There are more stupas up there, but this one is a very big one. So we'll go up now to see more. So Buddha stupa, this is here, this side. We again have to go up the stairs now. Come. So we again have to go up the stairs. If you come here, be sure to wear shoes. Don't come in sandals here. And always carry sunscreen, umbrellas. If the sun is hot, then it will be difficult. I'm going very slow. Children are going fast. Because we are having to climb a lot of steps here. As you can see behind me, there are lots of steps. We have to climb the entire mountain by steps. But to see something beautiful, we have to put in a little effort, isn't it? So come, I'm taking rest and going up. Okay, let's go. Halfway through. Exhausting. But it's worth it. When we came from Guwahati also, the road was under repair. So the journey took quite a long time. And now we are climbing this. But as I said, it's worth it. Actually, I don't like visiting new places. I always like to visit ancient places which are in ruins or has a very rich history behind it. So those type of places attract me most. So we are now almost at the top. Just want to give you a view of the whole place from here. That is the road pathway, from which we came. These are the sal trees abounding here. You can call it a sal forest also. There, our children have already reached the top. There is another stupa there, Buddhist stupa. See, these are the stupas. There are big stupas here. So Buddhism has a very big effect on this place. See, some are in ruins, of course. There are more stupas here, but these are in ruins, but these are intact. These two, the other one, it's intact. See. So this stupa belongs to 9th century. Can you imagine? It was built by the monks in the 9th century. Now only it is so difficult to climb. At that time, I wonder how they came to this part, which was very remote at that time. It was full of jungles, wild animals, and there was no steps like nowadays. But they climbed it and they left their mark here. Hats off to them. There is one more path here leading to a few more sites here. Let's see what is there. I don't know. Most probably stupas only. Let's see. So there is one more stupa here. There you can see there is one more stupa here. So the whole mountain is scattered with shivlings and stupas. So children are going there to see. That's the stupa. So after seeing this, we'll go up again and see the shivlings. আমি তলত পাইছোহি আৰু আকৌ এটা বেলেগ এটা ৰাস্তা দি ওপৰলৈ যাব লাগিব শিৱলিংবোৰ চাবলৈ।